it's your girl Lisa, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lisa Line. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and press that post notification button to be notified every time I upload a video. If you already did, I'm thanking y'all for being a part of my family. So as you can see today's vlog is about the independence of Haiti. So if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to smash that like button and turn your post notifications on to be notified. So we'll see in the next video. As you can see, today's vlog is about the independence of Haiti, and then plus it has been 2 years when we didn't get to have the the independence mass because of COVID. And why? Because you already know they couldn't cramp up people, because the last time we was in the independence mass was at Holy Family, and that was the last time. And then they couldn't have that mass because they just didn't want to cramp anybody. And on top of that, people who doesn't wear masks, and on top of that, they're coughing, sneezing, and then you have to look at them like, what? They do that seriously. Like, they always do that on purpose, just to just for you to just for you to leave the seat just for them. And then that was not gonna happen. So Sunday was so beautiful that we had to go to mass on Sunday. And then they already knew we usually have the mass upstairs that got regular mass. So they had it in the basement where the bathrooms were. So I was like, yo, I know what they trying to do is just because people didn't sometimes, those Haitians, they don't want to leave the space, so they had to decorate it so for the others, to come in. So when we got in, it was crowded. So anyways, enough said. I'm gonna show y'all the clips of the video, so stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video.
La vie c'est vivre, c'est jeune captif, c'est vivre, n'a vivre, voler pour le malais. Haïti son bel pays plaisir, même là on pas de quoi jeune plaisir. La vie c'est vivre, c'est jeune captif, c'est vivre, n'a vivre, voler pour le malais. Voler pour le malais. Voler pour le malais. Chaque jour soleil levé me dit merci bon Dieu. Ou belle plage chaque femme créole libre, ouais. C'est la caille, nous poil vibe. Plaisir la metti sourire, plaisir la caille. Non pas besoin de dire ou ka ouais j'en a vivre, pas gain l'argent ou ka ouais j'en a vivre. Gane kou maléré, pas famille ou pas ami en province nous poilé. Bon la même manger cocoyer, femme au cap nous parler coquet. Jeune captive, c'est vivre n'a vivre, mais Haïti chérie c'est
faire côté, tout partout côté prier, avec fierté, avec dignité, à partir de Jean Noël qui n'a pas comporté nous comme monde de bien, comme monde de grandeur, comme monde de valeur, comme petit pour Dieu. Bonne année, bonne fête de l'indépendance. Amen.
guys, as y'all can see about the Independence Day mass. So I'm gonna put an end on this video. So like, share, subscribe, and turn your post notification buttons on. So I'm putting an end on this video. So bye.